Who says eating healthy can't be delicious? If you're not into smoothies for breakfast, these go perfectly as a post-workout drink or a midnight snack. Midnight smoothies sound a bit unconventional, but you're at least cutting on those midnight brownies or cookies. Or is that just me? Hello foodies, welcome back to the Smoothies Bar channel. My name is Ishwari and I have a gorgeous smoothie recipe for you today. Today's recipe is a sunset smoothie, which is definitely tasted and tasty. Each layer in the smoothie has its own flavor, and the two layers work together beautifully to create a pleasing contrast. Layer 1 is made with raspberries, banana, coconut cream, honey and turmeric. Layer 2 is mango, banana and coconut cream. Smoothies are a kind of funny category of food. They are drinks, snacks, treats. To me, they are kind of a mashup of all those things. I'm always looking to add more and more fiber, antioxidants and protein into my smoothies. They are the absolute best way to get the most bang out of your buck when it comes to nutritious breakfast or snacks. They allow you to feel satisfied and they are loaded with macronutrients like protein, healthy fats, good carbs. Let's get into the making of this magnificent sunset smoothie. All you're gonna need is 1 cup mango, half cup raspberries, 1 large banana, half cup coconut cream, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon honey. I'll start with the raspberry smoothie first. Add raspberries, banana, then honey, coconut cream and blend until smooth. To get this beautiful color, I'll keep half of the smoothie aside and add turmeric to the remaining half and then blend again until smooth. You get a different hue with this turmeric. Now it's time for the mango smoothie. Add mango chunks, banana, then coconut cream and blend until smooth. Now keep it aside and do the serving part. I'll first add the raspberry smoothie, then mango smoothie, and then one with the turmeric. Look at these beautiful layers. Now give a little stir to achieve those sunset colors. Wow, a beautiful sunset. I hope you will try this recipe both because it's delicious and because it's really good for you. I am loving this as a pre-workout drink on a summer morning or a post-food drink in the afternoon. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so that you do not miss any future videos. See you soon. Eat clean.